Hi, boys and girls. Today, we are going to continue our work on identifying key details. We have a new text. It is called From Wax to Crayon. I need you to use your listening ears as the text is read to you. At the end, you are going to be asked to identify two key details. Are you ready? Great, I see those listening ears.
Wax melts. Crayons start as clear wax. Wax is made into crayons at a factory. Large tanks heat the wax. The wax melts into a gooey liquid. A worker adds color. Pipes carry the clear wax into many pots called vats. A worker adds colored powder called pigment to the vats. A different color is stirred into each vat. The wax is shaped. The colored wax is poured into a mold. The mold has many holes. Each hole is shaped like a crayon. The wax fills the holes.
You did a great job listening. Now I need you to identify two key details from the text. You will need the exit ticket right here. You're going to draw or write two things you learned. Or you can make a video on Seesaw or Class Dojo and send it to your teacher. Remember to put your name on your exit ticket so your teacher will know whose great key details those are. And remember that the two key details need to come from the text. If you need to listen to the text again, you can replay the video.